So children, I hope you've understood the concept of nouns and the proper and common nouns. And a refresh, that is, proper nouns are the names of specific persons, places and things and always starts with a capital letter. A common noun are the names of person, places, animals and things and do not start with a capital letter. And we are going to do a small exercise here. I have 3 charts and we are going to circle the common and proper nouns. So we are not going to differentiate between proper and common. We are just going to circle all the nouns in the sentences. So I have the first sentence is the girl and the boy read together. So I am going to circle the nouns. So the first noun is girl and the next noun is boy. So the nouns in the first sentence is girl, boy. In the second sentence, we drove from school to the library. So what are the nouns here? Library and school are the nouns that are found in the sentence, school and library. So these are names of places. In the first sentence, these two are names of people or persons. In the second sentence, these are names of places. And the third sentence is I forgot my backpack and my coat. So the nouns in the sentence are backpack and coat. So these two are names of things. So we have found out the nouns in the sentences like the girl and the boy read together. So girl, boy are the names of people. We drove from school to the library. So school and library are the names of places. I forgot my backpack and my coat. So backpack and coat are names of things. So these are the nouns that we have found in these sentences. So moving on to the next chart, we have 10 sentences and again I am going to mark the nouns in these sentences. Joe is my cousin. So I have the sentence Joe is my cousin. So Joe is the name of a particular person and cousin is a common noun. So cousin is the common noun. So these are the 2 nouns in the sentence. Next, I like these beautiful flowers. So the noun there is flowers. Flowers is the name of a thing. So the word flowers is the name of a thing. Moving on to the next sentence, she played with her brother. So brother is the noun there. It is the name of a person. So brother is the noun in the sentence. The next sentence, the bus stopped suddenly. So the noun is bus. Bus is the name of a vehicle. The next sentence we have, we saw many animals at the zoo. So we have 2 nouns in this particular sentence, that is animals and the word zoo. So zoo is the name of a place. So animals and zoo are the nouns in the sentence. There are no markers in the box. So again we find 2 nouns in the sentence. The first noun is markers. Markers is the name of a thing and box again is the name of a thing. So markers and box are the nouns in the sentence. In the next sentence we have children were playing outside. So the noun in this sentence is the word children. So children were playing outside. So children is the noun in the sentence. How many lollies do you have? So the noun there is lollies. Lollies again is the name of a thing. In the next sentence we have birds migrate when it gets cold. So what is the noun there? The word birds is the noun in the sentence. So the word birds is the noun in the sentence. And in the next sentence we have, I like to write with a pen. So what is the noun there? The word pen is the noun there. It is a name of a thing that we use. So we have marked all the nouns in these 10 sentences. Joe is my cousin. So Joe and cousin are the nouns in the sentence. I like these beautiful flowers. So flowers is the noun in the sentence. She played with a brother. So brother is the noun in the sentence. The bus stopped suddenly. Again, bus is the noun in the sentence. We saw many animals at the zoo. So animals and zoo are the nouns in the sentence. There are no markers in the box. So markers and box are the nouns in the sentence. Children were playing outside. Again, children becomes the noun in the sentence. How many lollies do you have? So lollies again is the noun in the sentence. Birds migrate when it gets cold. So birds are names of animals and it's a noun. I like to write with a pen. So pen is a name of a thing and is a noun. So the words Joe, cousin, flowers, brother, bus, animals, zoo, markers, box, children, lollies, birds, pen are names of persons, places, animals or things and are nouns in the sentence. So moving on to our next chart where we have 6 sentences. Again, we are going to mark or underline the nouns in the sentence. So the first sentence, the cat jumps. So it is the name of an animal. So I underline the word cat in the sentence. The next sentence, the friends play. So the friends is the noun in the sentence. So I underline the word friends. In the next sentence, the clock ticks. So the clock is the name of a thing and is a noun. So underline the word clock. My mum cooks. So mum is the name of a person and is a noun. So underline the word mum. The fish swims. Again, fish is the name of an animal and is a noun. The library closes. So library is the name of a place and is called a noun. So I have the cat jumps. Cat is the name of an animal. The friends play. Friends is the name of people. The clock ticks. Clock is the name of a thing. My mum cooks. Again, mum is the name of person. The fish swims. Fish is the name of an animal. And the library closes. Library is the name of a place. So names of persons, places, animals and things. So cat, friends, clock, mum, fish, library are all the nouns that we find in these particular sentences. So I repeat once more, nouns are the names of person, places, animals and things, and we have seen the types of nouns, that is proper noun, common noun, countable nouns, uncountable nouns, collective nouns and abstract nouns. And in today's session we have discussed about proper noun and common noun. Proper noun are the specific names of persons, places and things and always begins with a capital letter. A common noun is the names of persons, places, animals and things and do not begin with a capital letter.